Hi, in this video we'll learn about how to choose the best transformations of the data. So data using box Cox function, using box is nothing, box is a function. So for to do this thing, suppose I need one import the library, because in future we'll use some data. For that reason we should have to use the library. Which library I will use? So you should have to import the library first. Library must you should have to do. So my library is there already got. If you not get a library, so you should have to import it. Neither you should have to go to the toolbox, then install package, and from there you will actually here by using the must. Sorry sorry you will install this library. Actually I'm already installed, that's why I will not install the library again. So in the future cases, suppose I'm making it x is equal to, suppose I'm making it 1 to 100 data I want to create. So my data is created here now. If you want to see, you can see the data is here like this way. After that I'm using another thing, which is the normal, I mean our norm. Actually it is random variable it will take. So which random variable will take, you don't know, because it will see this thing will take automatically. Suppose I'm using another equation. It's a variable I'm creating, which will create normal random variable rnorm. Rnorm is a function which will create a random variable for the length of x. It will create the random variable, I mean 100 variable it will create, and where the standard deviation will be 5. Okay, this value will be created. It run the program, it is successfully run, and followed by I'm taking a linear regressions model, that LM linear regressions model. It will y sorry, it is not on y. Before that you should have to define the y. So what will be the y here? I mean I'm thinking that my y will be like this. X plus EPS. Okay, those are the thing. And suppose I'm creating it is my randomly. Okay, and to the power of minus 1 by 1.5. It's minus 1 by 1.5. Okay, now make a linear regressions model of the y, and it is created to the x. Fine, your linear regression model also created. Now summary it. Now summary the linear regression model. Let's see the linear regression model. Where the linear regression model showing the F statistics code is 52.24. I think this code is not good. Actually, it is not at least the 50%. So we'll go for the best transformations of the values. So which values you will use to do this thing? First, understand the residual plot, how it is doing. So to make it, plot it here, plot it of m and which equal to 1. Why it is meaning of that which equal to 1? It is will create the residual plot on m, I mean regression model. So let's plot it and let's see. Your data is like this way, and it is created the residual plot of like this. So this is not so good. Okay, so you should have to find the best um, transformation of the data, that I can make it and more significance, more visualization good, or more effective. So to do this thing, or to find the best transformation, let's call it boxcox method or function. So boxcox, using the bc variable I'm storing here, sorry, boxcox function is there. Using the boxcox function you put the m. So now it find 95% percentile data, it is plotted like this way, you can see here. Now what happened, uh, and which maximum possible lambda values for which it is good. So to calculate this thing, call the which function, which followed by with dot max, sorry, max of box cox for the values of x. So it will give something value of 100. So it will give the possible maximum possible lambda value. So position of the corresponding lambda value, how to calculate? To it is the maximum lambda value. What is the position? To find the position, find the lambda. Lambda equal c of x, then calculate, sorry, oh, which dot max dot with dot max of bc x. So it will give the maximum position of the lambda value. So it didn't get, actually didn't call the lambda. Yeah, if you did call the lambda, lambda is at 2. Okay, so at that positions the values is at maximum. So I think hope you got that the maximum transformation of the data should be 1, sorry, should be 2, not more than that. You should have to take care about that. What will be the your maximum transformation of the data? Maximum transformation of the data will be 2, not more than that. So you can find the maximum procedure or maximum um, transformation of your data using this box cost function. Hope you understand. Please subscribe, like my videos, and follows this channel for more and more update. If you have a query, comment, please put the comment in the comment sections below, that in future I can give you the response. Or because you people are great motivation for me, each and every subscriber is very important for me. Thank you, have a nice day.